Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to describe how we use the Syncoria connector to integrate Canada Post with Odoo. So I'm directly going to the demonstration. This is the Odoo instance, and from here I'm going to the sales module, and I'm going to create a sales quotation, and I'm selecting a customer, adding a product, and the customer address and phone number need to be valid, so we can set the address and phone number from here. So in the product part, I'm going to select a product, and I am going to set the quantity as 2, and now clicking on the add shipping button. So from here, I'm selecting Canada Post as a shipping method, and we can see the Canada Post shipping date is appeared here and the cost is showing 0. Now I'm going to click on the Get Rate button, and we can see different type of Canada Post service type is appeared here, and I'm selecting this regular parcel one as a Canada Post service type and click on add. That will add in this line, and now I'm going to confirm the sale order. So a delivery is created, and if I go to the delivery, in additional information, you can see the carrier is added as Canada Post and the weight is showing here. And if now I'm going to create two packages for this delivery. So I set the done quantity 1 and clicking on the put in pack button. And I'm selecting a package, delivery package for that, and the shipping weight is showing here. So now I'm going to validate this, and yes, I'm going to create a back order for that. So from here we can see a label is generated. We can download this and we can check the detailed information from here. And in additional information, we can see our tracking reference is generated and ship weight for shipping is showing here, and Canada Post link return also generated. So in if I go to the sale order, we can see one delivery is done and one delivery is in ready state status. So I'm clicking on the set quantity to make the done quantity 1 and click on the put in pack button, and again selecting a delivery package, and now I'm going to validate this. So from here we can check the package detail information from here, and we also can check the tracking reference in detail from here, and in additional information we also can check the tracking reference is generated and other information is generated. So if one customer want to return a product, so that also can be generated in our system. So for that, I'm going to sale order and click on the return button. So the quantity is 1. We can set the quantity as per the requirement. And now this is in the ready stage, and I'm clicking on the validate button, clicking on apply, and now it's done. So again, if I go to the sell order, I can see a return is generated. So we can implement the full system in a website too. So for that, I'm going to the shop tab in website and selecting a product. Sorry. So I'm going to the website, and in shop, I'm selecting a product. And if I click on the process checkout, And if I go to the address section, we can see there is a billing address and there is a shipping address. We can add more shipping address from here. And US delivery and international delivery also can be possible in our system. So they need to provide the address according to their needs. So I provided a Canada address and now I'm going to confirm. So I'm selecting Canada Post for delivery method, and now we can see the delivery is showing 0, and I'm selecting this as a delivery service. So the price is added here, and I'm going to provide the payment information and click on the Pay Now button. So a sale order will be generated. So the sale order will be S00108. So if I go back to the sales module, so if we go to the sale order and we can see Canada Post is added as a delivery service and a delivery is also created. So if I go to the delivery, in additional information, I can see Canada Post set as carrier and the weight is showing here. And now I'm going to click on the set quantity. So the down quantity is 2 and now I'm going to click on the put in pack button and selecting packages for that and click on save. And now I'm validating this. So the delivery is now done. And in additional information, I can see the tracking reference is generated and Canada Post link return is generated and a label is also generated. So we can also see the detailed information from here, and we also can return this process as in the same process. So this is how we integrate Canada Post in our system. Thank you.